So we have here from EdNovate what's called the EduCore Inclusive Companion. And at EdNovate, we don't really have a ton of products. We are really here to support the optimization of innovation in your school district or in your context. But we created these EduCores really to just demonstrate for you how simplistic but yet powerful artificial intelligence is, or large language models can be. So these are highly trained, highly specified. They're free. Does mean they're not great, but they're definitely free. And so what I'm going to show for you in this video is the EduCore Inclusive Companion. So this is for special educators. Many use cases for this. You can plan out your IEP schedule for the year. You can also get some ideas and some up-to-date research depending on certain data pieces that come out from your students. You can do professional developments on special education. You can create handbooks for special education. You can create supports for teachers. There's so many things you can do. One of the things I want to show you here is a example of what it does with an IEP. So I'm going to attach to this EduCore, I'm going to attach an IEP, right? And the IEP is it's a sample IEP. It is something that was pulled off of the internet. It does have a name on it, but when you are doing IEPs, all you have to do is to remove the identifying factors, such as the name, any student ID numbers, or any socials or anything like that. But the rest of the information is going to be very critical to leave in there because these models are trained on how to interpret that information. So it is safe to put for example, the data, the test data from a kid, or perhaps a diagnosis or two, or those sorts of things, as long as the kid's name is not associated with it, because you do want this to be able to give you the best answer. So I put this IEP up there and said, hey, I'm going to say analyze this IEP and provide your expert analysis on its pros and cons, and additionally provide extensive research-based solutions after analyzing the data contained within. That's all I said. Talk to it like a friend. And here it goes. It's going to search its knowledge. What it is doing now is it is going through everything that has been trained on. And so we've trained this on everything from all of FERPA, all of the IEP stuff, Charlotte Danielson stuff, all of whatever you need to know. And it's going to kind of go through it and look at these. So here's the cons. It lacks specific goals, limited use of insufficient. This is wow, right? It gives you some ideas, some checklists, some suggestions on what to do. And then it says, here's what it is. So it's not just incorporating the frameworks. Here's what it does. It gives you the pros, gave me the cons. You can pause to read if you want. It also gave some research-based recommendations. Now I'm going to say, provide for me a general PD session for teachers related to items on this IEP. Do not use the student specifically, but be general. Make it 45 minutes and include a portion that is fun. And here's what it does. Now that I have that information, here we go. Supporting diverse learners. This is pretty cool. This is beautiful. Now, there are so many things we can do with this. I can have it do everything from map it out to create the slides to ordering the supplies off of an Amazon wish list, but it can do that for you. But this is the EduCore Inclusive Companion. It is free in the ChatGPT store. Hope you guys enjoy it. And thanks for all you do for kids. And we're very, very, very hopeful that you have a great remainder of the school year.